I'm in the process of building an accessories brand, and the most used and abused program during this entire process has been Blender. Thank heavens this thing is free. Recently, I designed this pair of earrings. I sketched the idea out, 3D modeled it in Blender, and sent the file to a manufacturer to get a sample made. Long story short, the sample came out exactly how I imagined it. So I did something terrifying. I placed a bulk order. This was seriously one of the most nerve-wracking experiences for me. I have no experience in jewelry, no experience running a brand. I don't even have thousands of dollars to invest in it yet, but I have a dream and I am delusional enough to pursue it. Anyways, that's not the point of this video. The point is, Blender has helped me more than I ever expected. One of the biggest ways it helped me was with communicating my concept to the manufacturer. I didn't have to pay them extra to model my earring because I already did it. I didn't have to waste months and money going back and forth with samples until they understood my idea. Instead, I helped them get it right on the first round. Now, maybe that was luck, but I am attributing it to having that model. The model wasn't perfect, but it did what a simple sketch couldn't. Yeah. And guess what else having that model helped me with? If you guessed creating visuals for my website, you are right. That was one of the biggest perks as a small business with a tiny budget. I created my product list and images using the digital earring, and I even created a potential hero image with it. Honestly, I'm not even sure if I'll use it for the hero, but at least I was able to experiment. It was seriously so simple. Throw in an HDRI, add a couple of lights, render with a transparent background, take it to Photoshop, add a white background, and you are pretty much done. I mean, you can add levels and adjust curves here and there, but you're done. For the hero image, it was basically the same process. The extra part was adding a character and adding an abstract shape that, I don't know, I just felt like doing. Clearly, there wasn't a modeling budget inside, as you can see me using a character. Nonetheless, it was fun to play around with it. Another thing it helped me with was packaging. I was able to test sizing digitally, visualize proportions, and see how everything will look together before spending money on production. If you would have told me 3 years ago that I would be using Blender this way, I wouldn't have believed you. But this program has helped me cut so many corners. It saved me time, it saved me money, it gave me confidence, and I'm honestly just really grateful for it. So can you use Blender to build a jewelry brand? I guess we're gonna find out.